Namaskar. In this video, we'll learn how we can generate, we'll see how we can generate multiple music with AI or generating music with 100% AI and how it can replace normal songs. This is just the beginning. In the future, we don't know what can be happen. So for now, we just see uh, free AI tools which can generate musics or compose music. So first we have our first is Suno. So let's explore Suno, how Suno works. So just type Suno. Now this is the Suno website, and you can know about Suno. Suno is a studio first of its kind of web-based generative audio orchestration that combine traditional DAW functionality with AI-powered music creation and start, edit, remix your way, upload your recording, own audio, or rewrite lyrics, reorder, like that. So we can generate fully music on Suno. So let's explore how we can do this and just have to sign in. We don't have another option except sign in. So I am signing in through my email address, and so even you can use temporary email address for sign in, and it's better to hide your privacy and on internet. Use try to use mostly temporary email address. Now you will ask what is temporary email. In this next video, we'll if you want to know about temporary email address, you can comment below, and we'll next video we'll explore the temp email and how we can use temporary email addresses. As well, we have so many temporary phone as well as we can make international calls for free through the website. So in this video, don't talk too much. We just explore this. Okay. I want to generate one song. Be, uh, farmer is working in the field in rainy, rainy, rain in rainy season and having the work with full relax and enjoying the nature and exploring the nature and vibing the work. So what we need? We just need I don't want to generate a voice and all about like that. So I just want to generate an instrumental sound. So if you want to voice after this, I also show you how we can generate voice. For now, we just first see instrumental. So just create. So we got here untitled, rainy on my soldier, rainy on my soldier, and I just want to listen, not full song. For full songs, I also have many tools. In future video, I'll also explore how we can generate whole songs 100% free. No need to pay any fee for like work like this. For now, just listen this. Okay, now let's play another one. We got so many songs generated, so I just play one and two. After this, we will try to generate voiceover. Okay, let's now we generate voice best, not instrumental. So uh, I am like I really like to listen Hindi songs, so I just do Hindi song. For Hindi song, we just I type imagine or Indian lover, Indian girls traveling traveling in the train and enjoying the nature of Himachal and vibing the travel with classical Hindi songs. So, and you, I just no need to do just click here. It will generate a Hindi song. So, but again, we got two. We will get many, but for now, we got two. And after for full songs, we don't. It may we don't need any more full songs. If because if you want full songs, so we have so many websites. Later, I will teach you in the future, or I'll show in the future how we can generate that also. For now, we have Suno. Okay, play.
Window seat claimed a patter in the wind. Steel tracks hung beneath the moisture. Biscuit tin, green on green on green, names on passing signs. Clouds so low, they brush the lines. Hill station hard on the move. This mountain rhythm I sink into. Old film songs through a crack. Window seat claimed the patter in the wind. Steel tracks hum beneath thermos chai. Biscuit tin, green on green on green. Names on passing signs. Clouds so low they brush the lines. Hill station hard on the move. This mountain rhythm I sink into. Old film songs through a cracked phone screen. Image rolling like a waking.
So now let's explore another tool. We have multiple tools, so I think we should move to further. So we have Udio. So let's explore Udio. I just search Udio, and for now I want to play this because you will feel better. So We have UDO. I don't know why not come because I have not searched. No, UDO, music generator, and then UDO, make your music, create your song.
खिड़की
Just
पे
imagine.
बैठी हाथ हवा में दुपट्टा उड़ाता रास्ते घने के तेरमूस की चाय मम्मी के लड़ दो हंसी
So
के
let's create.
टुकड़े गिरते झोंकों पे पहाड़ों वाली रेलगाड़ी धीरे धीरे चढ़ रही पुराने गानों की धुन पे धड़कन मेरी गुनगुना रही हाथों वाली रेलगाड़ी मंजिलों से बात करे मैं सफर सीट नंबर लिखा
So
पर
listen this
दिल
song
बहता रहे
before this finish.
मोड़ मोड़ रहे थोड़ा सा रुक जा
If you want to download this
तस्वीर
song,
बना
you can
ले
download.
दो
Just
पल
download
को
anyway.
थम कर फिर आगे बढ़े
So it's got downloaded inside my
पहाड़ों वाली रेलगाड़ी धीरे
and
धीरे चल रही गानों
so thanks for watching. Now, uh, we'll meet in another video, and for we will also include all the music app in one playlist so you can explore all the music in same playlist. For now, I don't want to videos would will go more long. If you go more long, maybe you will get feel bored. So thanks for watching.